Oh my goodness. And this is voted as the best beach club in Asia. Nasa cliff. Just book that one flight.
Yes.
Because it will open a lot of opportunities
So
and
many
growth.
opportunities.
Oh, grabe yung mga katawan na yan, no? Pero guys, ang ganda. Pa-sunset na. I love it.
My favorite place is definitely Boracay because first of all, the sand in Boracay is amazing.
I'm glad I was able to travel solo. I was able to step out of my comfort zone. Hello guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Kuripo Traveler, and nandito tayo ngayon sa Bali. Our plan for today is to go to Uluwatu kasi inaya tayo ng mga kasama natin, friends natin sa hostel, because it's my last day. I'd end my Bali trip with a bang going to Uluwatu. Yung apat na ref magnet nasa 50 IDR, tapos yung dalawang display, ayan, na parang shot glass ay nasa 100 IDR. So 150 total for displays and ref magnet. And this one, 250. Kung kayo magbabali or, you know, travel abroad, you can book your activities via Klook and use my promo code.
Okay, this one.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Terima
you.
kasih.
Okay.
Ang bait nila. Guys, sa tawad kayo guys, okay? Tawad kayo. Kasi feeling ko minamahalan talaga nila yung presyo. So, less than half yung naibigay sa atin na price from the original price ng damit ko. Pati itong ano natin, pati itong mga pampasalubong natin or display sa bahay. Alright guys, so after 1 hour and 20 minutes, we've arrived here in Savaya in Uluwatu. So this is voted as the best beach club in Asia. So nakwento ko na ba guys na grabe itong pagiging YOLO natin today at spontaneous at kalad-karin. Kasi yung flight ko, tomorrow talaga, na-share ko na ba? Tomorrow yung flight ko, 8 AM. So I have to be at the airport 4 AM. Tapos itong party natin for sure, hanggang madaling araw. So minsan lang naman tayo sa Bali, talagang kinonvince ako ng ating hostel friends na by the way, my hostel galing sa Canggu. Okay, so 1 hour and 20 minutes yung travel from Canggu to here. And TBH, one of the best decisions I made for this trip was booking Coswan Hostel. I-comment ko yung link sa baba. Okay, was booking Coswan Hostel para sa ating second half ng ating trip. Kasi ayun, we met wonderful people and tonight we're gonna party with them, spend my last night in Bali with them. So, comment ko sa baba yung link ng hostel. Tingnan nyo naman, bit-bit ko na yung yung bag ko, nakakaloka. Valid photo ID required and 21 plus years old lang. So may age restrictions. Ayan, ang taray. We're here. Grabe yung security check doon guys, okay? And then we have to show our QR code. Kasi dapat makapag-sign up sa guest list before 6 PM. Oh wow, guys, we're here. And look at this. Ang ganda. Oh my goodness. Guys, ang ganda. So we're in Savaya in Uluwatu. And this is voted as the best beach club in Asia. Beautiful. Hello, what's your name? Nihar. And he finds the Philippines really nice.
Best.
Oh, the best. Guys, ang ganda, ang posh. So ano siya, nasa cliff. Super nice. Oh, grabe yung mga katawan na yan, no? Pero guys, ang ganda. Pa-sunset na. I love it. And may bar dito. May iba't ibang bars around. There, oh. Ganda. Oh my gosh. Guys, ang perfect ng sunset dito. The colors I love. Wow. Breathtaking! I think it's sulit. So first time natin makapunta sa isang beach club na nasa cliff talaga. And yeah, this is a nice way to... There are my friends. And it's a nice way to end this trip. This is the Bali Beach Club that I imagined. So no wonder ito yung no wonder ito yung best na beach club here in Asia. As mentioned, my bar here, and then another bar there. Daming bars. So mostly ay foreigners talaga, like westerners yung nakita ko dito. Dito tayo sa edge. Wow, guys! Oh my goodness! So ang daming oh wow! Kasi breathtaking talaga. Tingnan nyo naman yung waves. Wow! Beautiful! This trip, solo trip to guys. It has been so amazing meeting different people from different, countries across the world. Ano siya? Nakakalawak siya ng perspective. And truly guys, traveling is the best teacher because we get to hear their stories personally. We get to hear their ways of lives. And here in Bali, we get to know their culture, their tradition, experience it firsthand na matututunan mo kapag magta-travel ka talaga. So that's the beauty of traveling for me. And I'm glad I was able to travel solo kasi I went out, I was able to step out of my comfort zone. The feeling of independence, ulit-ulit kong sinasabi sa vlogs, na-feel ko talaga siya dito sa Bali. Like, wala. My heart is full. Surreal na na-experience natin siya. And ang Bali for solo trip, it's nice kasi you get to meet travelers sa dami ng foreigners and tourists dito. Ano to guys, free entrance. But you have to, mention ko na ba kanina? Kailangan yung mag-sign up sa guest list before 6 p.m. Pero yung Korean nating friends, si Jin and Diejin, nagbayad sila ng around $10 daw, $10. So, I think hindi sila na-inform na kailangan mag-register sa guest list. So, hingin lang naman dun yung details mo. Magbabali kayo guys, experience nyo talaga yung mga beach club, yung mga bars dito, vibrant yung mga nightlife dito sa Bali. Tapos hindi naubusan ng AFAM. Walang shortage guys ng cuties dito. Although yung AFAM, di ba, applicable naman siya sa Manila. Kasi meaning ng AFAM, a foreigner assigned in Manila. Pero AFAM na rin naman yung tawag natin sa mga foreigners. Right? Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Waya.
Waya? Thank you, Waya. Yeah, he's been taking pictures and videos of me. Thank you. And it's good. It's good. Thank you. Rihanna.
Hello, the Savaya Beach Club in Bali, and it has been amazing.
Worth
He
it.
has a flight really early in the morning, 8 a.m.
Yeah, 8 a.m.
And we're here.
You've been traveling for months already,
I've
right?
been traveling in Southeast Asia since February. I started in Laos, and then I did northern and southern Thailand, and then I did Malaysia, Cambodia, and Vietnam. And now I'm in Indonesia. It's been such a journey, and I absolutely love it out here. Everyone is capable of traveling.
Okay, go. Inspire them.
Okay, everyone has the potential. Like, you literally can do so many different things. If budget is an issue, if finance is an issue, there's ways of volunteering. You can do work exchanges. You You can work remote. Like, there are so many opportunities. It's 2024. Like, just book your one-way flight. Like, life is way too short. We're here only for such a limited time. Like, let's just, like, travel will open you up to everything. It really will. Your perspective on life will change. You're gonna meet people. You're gonna do things you never thought you could. You're gonna push past those boundaries. You're gonna break past that fear. This lifestyle, you don't have to have a lot of money. You don't have to have that. You can manifest it. All of it is manifestation.
And I
I'm
love-
so grateful to have met him.
I'm also
Yes,
so
and
grateful
very,
to
very inspired,
meet her.
yeah.
Just book that one flight.
Yes.
Because it will open a lot of opportunities
So
and
many
growth.
opportunities. Have to seek discomfort. I think that's one of my favorite quotes.
What?
Seek discomfort.
Seek discomfort.
Seek discomfort.
Because it's the beginning
It's
of
the
growth.
beginning of everything.
We share a lot of similar
We do.
perspectives.
I think so too. Yeah.
I love it. And yeah, that's why I'm telling you to create content and
Thank
upload.
you.
Because these are the things that people should hear.
I think social media is beautiful, and you know, like to be able to create content and share your story is.
Yeah, you know this.
I didn't know that.
And he's performing. You've been to Boracay, and you're telling me it's your favorite place.
My favorite place is definitely Boracay because first of all, the sand in Boracay is amazing.
The sand, yeah.
And also, of course, like the beaches in Bali are also beautiful. But I would say like the beach in Boracay is the best in the world.
Oh, in the world.
Yeah, the sunset is so good. And
Best
also,
sunset.
Yeah, the bad thing is that there are some clubs, and one of them, like, if you go, yeah, the name is Omar because this club is literally on the beach.
Yeah,
It's on the beach.
Yeah.
At the beach.
yeah.
So yeah, that is the best part. If you go to Boracay, there are so many Filipino guys who talk to you in Korean.
Because there's a lot of foreign tourists
Yeah,
there.
yeah, yeah. And there are so many Korean, and just I don't know why, but feel all Filipino people can speak Korean. They can talk to me in Korean. Sometimes I'm just like confused. Like, oh, am I in Korea or like in Boracay?
It's already 9:41 guys here in Bali. And ito siya at night, yung Savaya. Kunti yung tao ngayon because it's Wednesday. Pero masaya naman kanina nung around, I think mga 7 or 8 kasi nagsasayawan yung mga tao sa gitna. So it's just really nice, you know, to solo trip and meet other people. So ayun, last night na natin, uwi na tayo ng mamaya, 8 AM. So magsikit tayo ng, punta tayo sa airport na mga 4 AM. Thank you so much guys sa pagsubaybay sa ating adventure dito sa Bali. Okay, this is Dave, the Kuripon Traveler. Let's live our best life. Bye-bye!